Good day, Safe Fleet partners, and welcome to edition 14 of Work Truck 360. My name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Vehicle here at Safe Fleet, and I'd like to share a few things with you here this month. First and foremost is the most recent acquisition of Roll-Right Automated Tarping Systems and Pull Tarp Products. This is a fantastic acquisition for Safe Fleet. We're really happy that they've decided to join the family of Safe Fleet, and it further drives our vision of everything safety. Hey, we all know that flying debris on the U.S. highway system can potentially promote a safety-related issue. And obviously, tarping products and controlling cargo in the load space is a regulatory area that all 50 states have in place in some way. We will keep you informed on this integration project and look for more information to come. The other way is the way we take our products to the publication format, and this one here just happens to be Modern Work Truck Solutions, again promoting our Roughneck running board product. Last but not least is for me to drive a message home to you that we will remain in the vertical of safety. Our company is constantly focused on pedestrian, operator, and passenger safety, and those people that have a thriving need to enhance the safety products that they want and need to work in a day-to-day environment. Most of all, here at Safe Fleet and the entire Safe Fleet family, we all wish you the most joyous of happy holiday seasons. For all of you, please be safe. Thank you for your business, and I'll talk to you again next month on edition 15. Have a great day.